There's not even the. It's locked. It's locked.
Okay, so I'll ask you something.
You want to try to open it?
Post down. This is butcher. Closed. Only deliveries.
Only deliveries?
Only deliveries. You can't come in.
Yep.
The community will make only phone orders. Now look, he's with a mask, with all the precautions.
And if you want to talk pizza, you always have to.
Something? Can anybody come in? What's the limit here?
It's a limit just one person at a time. Like, no, if a family comes, just one person can enter at a time. And they have to go through using the gloves and mask.
It's great. Really good job.
How many people usually without the corona in the grocery here at this time?
Without the corona?
Thursday before Shabbat. How many people?
Without, like,
Without the corona.
without corona, it's like almost 2 years. Yeah.
It's a really good thing.
So how do you send the food to the people?
Like that they call, just by order and we do it. Like,
Only delivery.
yeah. And they can buy only 10 items and then we can if they want more, we have at you.
These are the orders.
Well, that's it.
The workers. Hi Danny.
Ça va vous? Ça se passe bien?
Oh, ouais. The manager, the big boss.
C'est qu'est-ce que ça en avant quand tu parles? C'est bien, ils font bien les choses. C'est ça. Je suis bien content que
J'ai envoyé une vidéo à ma femme qu'elle a envoyé à tout le monde.
Merci monsieur. C'est bon.
It's like Chernobyl. 500 to 4,000 residents living in. If you are here, you are here for them to stop. I didn't feel insulted. The thing is that Montreal, where more people on the street, but still respecting the people in charge like me, they say for the older reporters, I'm not going to enter this. Okay.
Officer, my name is Eric Ewart. I'm working for the Régie Intermunicipale de Police Thérèse de Blainville. In the collaboration with the Chamrim, we went around in the community and we really impressed how they're dealing with the situation. They did what it's needed. Every buildings are closed, people staying at home, and they take every measure to make sure that everything is fine in the context of the COVID-19. So, good job, guys.
And we thank the police for being on top of this, protecting the community, protecting the public, and being on top of make sure we get the information we need to know. And continue to support. We thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.